Hey yo, package came in the mail today from Scentual Obsessions. Get this bad boy open. This is a little something that I had asked for a special request. Open this bad boy up. I always get confused as to how this opens up. Maybe it's the sides. Open up the sides. You're supposed to put your pride aside and ride for me. Put your pride aside and ride for me. I don't think that was it either. We got it though. All right. Man. I can't wait to smell this. So it comes carefully wrapped as always. Got some good old popcorn in there. A dope sample pack as always. I'm pretty sure this got some bangers in it. Oh boy. That's to the side. Put that box aside. I love these. Listen, I got so many of these velvet bags around here, yo. Perfect gift bags. So this one is called Elysium Aftermath. So this was my request to mix Elysium and Anisio's Side Effect together because I really liked the way that they smelled and I wanted something wild. Oh, come on, bro. I'm getting a little bit out of this bottle, but I'm already knowing this fella smell fire. The close up on that. That's why I be getting all over my microphone. Okay. Oh God, I'm catching it. Woo-wee. Ooh-wee. Oh man. Sweet, tangy, clean, fresh citrus is sensual. It's musky, it's warm, sensual, sweet, tangy, citrus. Oh man, this is excellent. Elysium Aftermath. I should have sent him a custom name to name this one with this two mixed together. But hey, the Elysium Aftermath. This is a banger, yo. You get all of that fun and that really exciting note layout from that Side Effect, and then you mix that with those crisp citrus and that musky woodiness that Elysium has. You mix that together, and you get a beautiful, somehow comforting, sweet, tangy, citrus, musky, woody, sensual fragrance. I am in love. I am in love. This is a bomb fragrance. And this to me, you can do this in the summer. You can pop this off in the summer. You can pop this off in the spring. Definitely in the fall. I feel like you can crack this off in the summer though. I feel like this isn't gonna do bad. I feel like this will do well. That is so good, yo. It's creamy at the same time. Nothing is like too much. This is yo, Kev, I'm impressed. I am impressed. That is good, yo. Thank you for meeting that request and making something very special for me. We will definitely be linking up some more and making some bomb fragrances. His card talking about just the standard of the company and just what they prioritize. Take a read. In 2019, Scentual session was started. Our goal has always been to give our customers a high quality product at an affordable price. We feel you do not need to spend a fortune to smell good. Take pride in our products and customer service. If our customers are not happy, then how can we be happy? Our number one goal is to make sure all of our customers are satisfied with their experience shopping at Sensual Obsessions. How can you get mad at that? And I feel like that's true. I feel like they stand by that. It isn't some like load of crock that he's just printing and placing into these boxes. I feel like he actually takes pride into customer service. To me, Bergamot 412 for the sample. King of Queens. Coffee Hour. Oh, this is a House of Sillage 21. I believe that's what that is. Double Aventus exclusive line. I think he sent me that one already in Captivation. I want to say you've sent me that Double Aventus already, but I don't remember the word exclusive line being at the bottom, so it could be different. These are the samples. Very organized. Sealed off really good so it knows there's no leakage or anything like that. Just excellent work on the presentation, as always. As always. The gold theme and everything, the black and gold theme. Just excellent. And even pretend to be upset about that. Good stuff. Good attention to detail, good prioritizing the fragrance. And I like the red. For some odd reason, I like just how the red looks against that black and gold. So we're going to try out, this is Captivation. We're going to try this out. And that side effect, Elysium, that's a banger, yo. That's easily a banger. Okay, Captivation. Really fresh, clean, sweet. That's really nice. Looks like something that's really geared towards the spring. Really fresh, uplifting, clean. Not really sharp, anything like that, but it's very clean, fresh, slightly sweet. I like that. Nice. Now I have the Double Aventus, but I'm gonna smell this one and see if this is different from the one that I have. It smells stronger. Goodness. Well, at least to me it does. The other one, it wasn't as loud as this. It smells a little stronger. I like that. Can't really get mad with Aventus. You know what I mean? It's a good smelling fragrance. I know a lot of people are tired of hearing about it. I was one of them, but overall, still a great fragrance. You put it on, you're not gonna stink, and that's the most important part. This one is the SO number 1, so I want to assume that this is House of Sillage number 1. But I have to double check and make sure. Also, let me check and see. Is there a list on here? Nope. I think the last time there was like a list of the fragrances on here, but I don't think he included it this. Very sweet, kind of sort of creamy. Like it's spicy. Trying to catch what that is. I'm gonna try this one on actually. That side effect Elysium it's nuts, yo. It's just crazy. Oh man. Definitely some spices in there. It's musky. I feel like it's woody. Sweet. Kinda creamy. That's interesting. Definitely gonna be a banger for me to check out. It says sweet, creamy, kind of musky and woody. I like that one. Not a lot of citrus or anything like that present. Or at least I don't catch a lot of it. It smells really nice though. I smell like the sweetness. It smells like the sweetness from it isn't really a citrus. It smells like it's more like a berry or something like that. Really nice. The next one we're going to check out is Coffee Hour. I want to say that this might be Jazz Club, but I don't know. I'm gonna try this one on as well because I love coffee and a fragrance. So if that's what this is, I want to definitely indulge. Very clean, slightly powdery. A little sensual. I'm not catching much coffee right away. Might be. I'm not sure what I'm catching, but very sensual, slightly warm. There's some sweetness in there. I can tell there's possibly some spices going on. Really nice. Nice little sample pack we got going on so far. King of Queens. I want to say that I remember what this one is. Or I remember looking at it recently. King of Queens. King of Queens. Is it Aventus for her? What is this one? King of Queens. Well, I wonder, is it something to do with bond number 9? Something smells familiar about it. I just can't place it. Something about this smells familiar. I can't quite place it. So let's take a look. Pull it up. Sensual Obsession. Of line. Okay. Oh, Baccarat Rouge 540. How did I not catch that? I say it smelled familiar. Okay. I get a little bit of that. Let me try this on. For some reason, out of the bottle, I wasn't catching that at first. This. We're gonna try this on. It's nice. It captures it, but it captures it a little. It's something that's slightly off. It still smells good. It captures it. I think I just gotta wear this a little bit more and get a bit more acclimated to it. It captures it, but it's something that's slightly off. Like when it first opens up, it's a little different, and then it kind of settles down into that BC. It seems a little soapier than I remember Baccarat being, but it's actually pretty nice. It's a little soapier, but overall, still pretty nice. King of Queens. And I don't know why I kept forgetting that name. And when I smelled it, it did smell familiar. I'm like, man, this smells familiar. I just can't place it. I got a couple variations of Baccarat Rouge. So this one here is Bergamot 412, which is 22, Le Labo 22. I have a variation of that from Alt Fragrance, which is pretty cool. Okay, that Baccarat Rouge is coming around, and it's definitely starting to get into that DNA a little bit more. Wrong work, bro. Listen, all these are fire, yo. Nothing I smelled is just like, no. Bergamot Vetiver, I want to say. It smells like bergamot and vetiver, and it's so beautifully done. Fresh out the shower, this is gonna sing off of my skin. Yo, that's a banger, yo. That's a banger. That's a clean one. Bergamot 412. That's gonna sing. I'm gonna place these back into my very lovely sample pack. I love getting these. These are honestly like the best part. Just getting these and seeing what's out there, what's new, what haven't I tried before. These are nice. I like these. Strong work, Kevin. That is it for this video. For the unboxing and first impressions of this particular order that I picked up from Scentual Obsessions. Like I said, this Elysium Aftermath. God, man. It is so fruity, citrusy, musky, woody, creamy. It's like sort of fresh at the same time. But that is good. That is a beautiful, sweet fragrance. It has a gourmand feel, but it's something that's slightly soapy, slightly, not a lot. Very slightly soapy that lets you know it's not a gourmand, but it comes off very gourmand-ish with just a slightly soapy flair. This is incredible. Incredible, especially for that price. I think I paid maybe 30 some dollars for this. That's incredible. Really, really, really good. That is it for this video, you guys. I appreciate everybody dropping by and just hanging out with us doing this unboxing and this first impressions. If you like our content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, hit that share. Tell some friends about our channel. We do so much content on this channel, from fragrance reviews, we do game reviews, movie reviews, we do recipe videos, we do artwork. So many things that we do. So yeah, hopefully you can find some content that fits you here. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe.